Have you ever met a man who helped others, even when danger was near? Tonight, I will tell you a magical Arabian night story. It is about kindness, fear, and a brave heart. Stay till the end, because this story has a powerful lesson. Long ago, in a desert town, there lived a kind merchant. He sold dates, spices, and sweet fruits. Everyone loved him. He always smiled. He always helped people. If someone was hungry, he gave food. If someone was poor, he gave coins. One day, he went on a long journey. He was traveling across a hot desert. The sun was burning. The wind was strong. The road was empty. Suddenly, he heard a cry. "Help me, please help me." The merchant stopped. His heart beat fast. In the sand, he saw a tired old man. The man was weak and thirsty. The merchant had little water left, very little. He looked at the sky, then he looked at the old man. If he gave water, he might not survive. If he walked away, the old man would die. The desert was silent. The merchant closed his eyes. Then slowly, he smiled. He gave the water to the old man. "Drink," he said kindly. The old man drank and stood up. Suddenly, something magical happened. A soft golden light filled the air. The old man changed. He was not weak anymore. He was a desert spirit. "I tested your heart," the spirit said. "You chose kindness over fear." The merchant was shocked. The spirit raised his hand. A cool wind blew across the desert. Suddenly, sweet water appeared in the sand. Palm trees grew. The heat disappeared. "You are never alone," the spirit said. "Kind hearts are always protected." The merchant fell to his knees. Tears filled his eyes. He was safe because he was kind. From that day, the merchant became famous, not for his wealth, but for his heart. People told his story for many years, because true kindness is stronger than danger. Moral of the story: kindness can protect you, even in the darkest desert. If you love stories that teach English and values, subscribe to Talk Through Tales. Let me ask you, would you help someone in danger? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget, every night has a story, and every story has a lesson.